Hello, this is Nima Sultani, Museum Rug Curator and Master Weaver for Passion of Persia. And what we're doing is we're weaving this double-sided kilim. We're able to restore flat weaves like Navajos, kilims, and all piled type of rugs, antique, silk to new. It doesn't matter if the hole is small or where is the hole. We're able to always fix it. If you need any expert rug cleaning, mounting, appraisal, or other type of services, we do offer. We do accept rugs from the nation. Visit us online at passionofpersia.com or give us a jingle at 602-374-6973.